Hey guys, today we're going to do a Lego and figurine snow cube. So, these are the stuff you'll need to make one. First, you'll need jars with caps, glitter, some glycerine, glue, and water. And some toys and figurines. And that's it. Let's get started. So first, we'll glue the figure on to the cap. Make sure it dries for at least 24 hours, one day. So make sure that's all done. If you're doing floor, then do that. So this is the first thing you'll have to do. You'll put in some glitter. That's about it. Put in some glitter in here. Don't run out on me. Don't run out. 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 Okay. Next, you'll put some colored glitter. So then, you put what color you'll think is responsible for the character that you're putting in. That is going to be way too much for that guy. And then, last, the silver. Oh wow. 3 drops of glycerine in all 4 of them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you will put in the water. Sure goes up to my fingers. So pour it. Wow. Wow. It's just up to there. Okay, I think I'll need another one. Okay, got another one. Just 2 more. Use by one of the cups. So fill that up. Next, you will put it in. You'll finally put the caps in. This is one of my most favorite parts of this entire thing. There you go. And then we'll do it with this guy. Yeah. So now he's got green all over him. Okay. Next, we will do. Oh, he's covered all over in it. Okay. Here we go. Okay, he's backwards, but don't worry, I know how to fix that. Yay, it's a confetti party! And then oh man, this is the last one, and then he's already covered in golden glitter. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Please don't forget to keep on watching me. And shout out to my subscribers. I love you guys. Bye.